We will begin with the instructions for installing SearchBlox on the Windows operating system. You will go to searchblox.com/downloads and download the build for Windows. Right-click and run as administrator. Run the installer, then follow the wizard to install the application on your drive. Click Next to set up wizard, and then Next again for SearchBlox server. Wait until that installs to finish. Go to the SearchBlox server, find Services, find BAT, and install service. Run as administrator, and to start the service, you will also run as administrator. Once it has been downloaded, you will go to the SearchBlox main admin page and agree to the license agreement. There is a free license with SearchBlox that allows you to use one collection and play around with SearchBlox. You will receive a custom password the first time you log in after accepting the license agreement. Use the custom password to log in, then store or change the password for future logins for security purposes. If you would like to deploy SearchBlox in Linux, Mac OS X, Bitnami Tomcat, AWS, Azure, and more, there is detailed documentation available on the SearchBlox Developers Hub to assist you further.